DJI is back again with something new and exciting. This time it's the DJI Avata 3, and it looks like a huge step forward for FPV flying. This drone brings more speed, better control, and some clever upgrades that could change how we see FPV drones. It's made for people who love flying close to the action. Whether you're brand new to the world of FPV or you've been flying for years, the Avata 3 has something that can grab your attention. It looks smoother, it flies longer, and the camera is sharper than ever before. DJI really focused on making this drone easy to use but also powerful enough for pros. They're trying to find the right balance between fun and serious performance. In this video, we're going to go through everything about the Avata 3. We'll check out the design, flight feel, smart tools, and of course the camera. So stay with us and make sure to subscribe to Factic for more helpful drone reviews and updates. The DJI Avata 3 is one of the most talked about FPV drones right now. And it's easy to see why. It takes everything people liked about the earlier models and improves on nearly every part. The first thing you'll notice is the new design. It looks cleaner but also feels more solid. At the same time, the drone may use stronger and lighter materials like carbon fiber or a tough plastic mix that makes it easier to carry but also more resistant to crashes. So even if you hit something by mistake, it won't fall apart. The classic ducted propellers are still there for safety, but they might be shaped better now to help the drone fly faster and turn more smoothly. That means more fun and better shots at the same time. Battery life has also been improved. This new model is expected to give you more flight time per charge, so you don't have to keep landing to swap batteries. You can now fly for about 25 minutes at a time, depending on how hard you push it, and charging doesn't take forever either. With faster charging support, you can be back in the air quickly. That's great news for people who film a lot or fly for fun all day, flying the Avata. 3 feels better too. The new motor system gives you quicker response when you move the sticks, and that helps when you're flying close to the ground or around obstacles. You can hit up to 60 miles per hour in manual mode, which is really fast. But if you want a slower and safer flight, just switch to sport or normal mode. Those settings make it easier for beginners or for flying in tight places. Stability in the air is much better now, DJI added. Smarter flight controls so the drone stays balanced and steady. Even in windy conditions, there's also a better altitude hold system that helps keep your height level when flying low or indoors. The goggles that come with it are expected to be sharper and brighter too. You'll be able to see more details with less lag, and that helps a lot when you're trying to fly smooth lines or capture video without shaky movement. The motion controller is also getting smarter. Now you can move your hand and the drone follows with better accuracy. It might even give haptic feedback to make it feel more real for people who like using classic remote controllers. There's good news too. The Avata 3 might support them with custom button layouts and fine-tuned sensitivity, so you can set it just how you like. The smart flight features are where DJI really steps it up, with auto return to home, emergency stop, and updated GPS tracking. You don't have to worry as much when flying far or in busy places. The drone can also fly preset paths, so you can get professional-looking shots without needing to be an expert pilot. Now let's talk about the camera, which is a huge part of what makes this drone special. The Avata 3 uses a new one, over 1.3-inch sensor that captures more detail and handles low light better. So whether you're flying in the evening or under trees, your video still looks great. You can shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second or in 2.7K at 120 frames per second for slow motion shots. The wider f2.0 lens helps keep the image clear and bright. Even when the light isn't perfect, DJI also improved the color system so the video looks more real, with deeper tones and smoother highlights. With Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon, steady built in your footage stays stable, even during sharp turns or fast moves. All of this comes together to make the Avata 3 more than just a drone. It's a full flying camera system that gives you creative freedom in the air. You can fly low to the ground, spin around corners, and get those one-of-a-kind shots that are hard to do with regular drones. So if you love FPV flying and want something that mixes speed, safety, quality, and ease of use, the Avata 3 looks like a solid pick. It's friendly enough for beginners, but also powerful enough for experienced pilots who want cinematic video and fast action flying. So that's the full story on the DJI Avata 3. This drone is built for people who want to explore the skies with style and control. It gives you longer flight time, better video, and more smart features all packed into one sleek body. It's easy to carry, strong enough to handle a few bumps, and smart enough to fly safe, even in tricky places. Whether you're capturing smooth, cinematic shots or flying full speed through the trees, the Avata 3 gives you tools that make it possible. The improved goggles and motion controller make the flight feel even more real. And the new sensor gives your footage a boost with better colors and low light power. DJI really took their time to improve what matters most, and the result looks very promising. If this review helped you understand the Avata 3 better, don't forget to subscribe to Factic for more easy and honest tech content. We've got more drone reviews and flying tips coming soon, so stay tuned and as always, keep flying and keep exploring with Factic.